During the meeting, Toledo bus owners expressed their dissatisfaction on common concerns as expressed by Juan Garcia on behalf of Toledo bus owners.
Recently, we, the passengers, bus owners in the Toledo district, have been listening to the radio, and we are concerned of the events and the changes that is taking place within the transportation department concerning public transportation. We, the Toledo bus owners, have met, and everyone is not satisfied with the 10 cents per mile fare. The reasons being: 1. Road conditions. 2. High fuel price. 3. Insurance. 4. Maintenance. 5. Road service permit, which is the cost. 6. Salary, social security for workers. 7. School buses doing charters and carrying standees.
Garcia, on behalf of the Toledo bus owners, is now making a plea to the Minister of Transport.
Honorable Edmond Castro, Minister, the problems are many that we as bus owners encounter here in the South. Presently, we have no one to assist us here, and so we would like your assistance by either coming to discuss this great issue with us in Toledo, or if it is possible, we as a group can meet with you at your office in Belmopan as soon as possible.
Garcia also mentioned that the Toledo bus owners are sending a letter of their concerns to the Minister of Transport, and he gave important contact information for those concerned or in authority on who and how contacts with Toledo bus owners can be made.
We have here myself, Juan Garcia. His number is 623-8148, and Mr. Lorenzo Pop, 664-7113, and Mr. Pedro Cucul, 634-2155.
Present along with the Toledo bus owners as they discuss their concerns were Toledo West Representative Honorable Oscar Requena and Toledo East Representative Honorable Micah Spot. Reporting for Love News, Paul Mahone, Punta Gorda.